Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your unit in 3ds Max. This is necessary because you are bringing some things outside of the 3ds Max. For example, you are bringing cars, you are bringing cabinets, flowers, trees, all kind of things from outside of the 3ds Max. And you're also bringing your building model from Revit. So all these things you are bringing together, they have to be on the same scale. They have to be proportional. You don't want to bring a car and the car is just like a toy. It's not the normal size of a car. You know, if you place a car in front of a building, it should be a little bit somewhere at the middle of a window. The height should be somewhere at the middle of the window. So if you don't scale it very well, all these things will not be to scale and your model will not be professional. So let me show you how to set up your unit now. Once you have launched your 3ds Max, go to customize tab and go to unit setup. I want you to set this one to metric. Then you see a lot of things here. Set it to millimeters. That is the display unit. That is everything you need to set here. Then you now click on this system unit setup and leave it at 1 unit equals to 1. Then you are going to set this one to centimeters. Leave it at centimeter. Don't put it on millimeter. This particular one should be on centimeters. And by default, this is checked, but you are going to uncheck it. Once all that is done, click OK and click OK. So from that moment, your 3ds Max is set. The unit of your 3ds Max is set. For example, if I want to draw a box now, or if I want to create a box, I pick a box and I start to model. You see at the bottom right, you see that the dimensions are changing. Okay, can you see that they are changing based on what I've set? I've set it to be in millimeter. So you can see if we want to modify the size of this box, all you need to do is to go to modify, and while the box is selected, the length, you can take the length to be something like 1000 mm. Then the width, you can take it to something like 1000 mm again. So let it be something like a box 1000 mm. Then the height can be 1000 mm as well, and just click empty space somewhere. Now you see this box is 1000 by 1000 mm. It's like a cube. This is a cube. I want you to take note that you only need to set this unit at once. It's not that every project you are working on, you must go and set that unit. Once you have set this unit, it will work for all the projects you are working on. And don't be changing this unit from time to time. You only need to change it once. So that is how you can set up your unit in 3ds Max. I hope you have learned something from this video. See you in the next video. Bye.